Hello everyone, in today's video I have an Epson Powerlite 99WH classroom projector, as you can see. And in today's video I'll be showing you how you can replace the lamp. Alright, now before we get started, is noted to keep the projector powered off for an extended period of time, preferably 2 hours, to let the lamp cool down. Once it has cooled down, you can proceed with the operation. So we're going to replace it now. First, you're going to get yourself a screwdriver and find the access panel right here. I want to unscrew that. There we go. The door should come sliding off. You'll just need to slide it in the direct right. There you go. Then just pull it on it. There you go. The lamp is going to be pretty hot, so make sure to handle it with care. Now you're going to want to unscrew these screws up here. And for those who are wondering, the model of the lamp is the Epson ELP-LP88 for the Epson Powerlite 99WH. Alright, once you've unscrewed the screws, grab it in this area and lift. Okay. Let's see, that's the bulb. And that is how you replace the lamp. Now you're going to grab a new lamp, insert it, make sure to press it all the way down. Then you're going to want to screw it in. Close the access door. And then just tighten the screw. That is how you replace the lamp on an Epson Powerlite 99WH. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. For this particular lamp model, the lamp will last up to approximately 2,000 hours in normal mode. And according to the Epson website, it will last up to 10,000 hours in eco mode. Have a great day. And thanks for